Welcome to our channel Tour the World. In our last video, we showed you the holiest city in Islam, Mecca. Today we continue our journey as we fly over some of the most iconic and spiritually significant landmarks in Medina, the second holiest city in Islam, and a city rich with history, dating back over 1,400 years. We begin our tour with Masjid Quba, the first mosque in Islam, built in 622 CE. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, personally laid its foundation during his migration from Mecca to Medina. A prayer of just 2 rakats in this mosque holds the reward equivalent to an umrah. Though originally a simple structure of clay and palm trunks, today it stands with white domes, elegant minarets, and marble floors. The mosque's surroundings have seen tremendous upgrades. Smooth, multi-lane roads now encircle Masjid Quba, ensuring accessibility for both locals and visitors. You'll also notice vast open areas lined with lush palm trees, reflecting Medina's long agricultural heritage, dating back to its days as Yathrib. Next, we arrive at Masjid an-Nabawi, the Prophet's Mosque. Built in 622 CE, right after the Prophet's arrival in Medina. It houses the Rawda and the tomb of the Prophet Muhammad, along with 2 of his closest companions, Abu Bakr and Umar. This mosque is one of the 3 holiest sites in Islam. The dome-based, architectural style seen in Masjid an-Nabawi and many other mosques across the Muslim world was first introduced and popularized during the Ottoman era. The modern grandeur of the mosque is the result of several major expansions, starting with King Abdulaziz in the 1950s and significantly enhanced by King Fahd and King Abdullah. The mosque today features retractable umbrellas, sliding domes, climate control systems, and smart architecture, all designed to accommodate and comfort millions of worshippers each year. Encircling the mosque are dozens of luxury hotels, residential towers, and shopping malls. These buildings serve millions of pilgrims, providing modern comforts without losing sight of the spiritual purpose of the visit. And to manage the massive influx of visitors, the city has developed huge parking facilities, both above and below ground. These areas ease congestion and provide efficient access to Masjid an-Nabawi during peak times like Hajj and Ramadan. As the sun sets, Masjid an-Nabawi transforms into a sea of gold and silver light. From above, the view is breathtaking. Glowing minarets, illuminated walkways, and a tranquil courtyard that seems to reflect the heavens. Despite the heavy foot traffic during prayer times, the city's road infrastructure is well designed. Dedicated lanes, pedestrian zones, and regulated traffic flow ensure that the area remains orderly and accessible. Nearby, we see the Bilal ibn Rabah Mosque, named after the Prophet's companion and first muezzin in Islam. Bilal, a former slave who embraced Islam, symbolizes freedom, resilience, and devotion. At night, the mosque stands beautifully lit, a silent tribute to his powerful call to prayer and lasting legacy. We now head north to Mount Uhud, the site of the Battle of Uhud in 625 CE, where 70 companions of the Prophet were martyred. The mountain still stands as a testament to their sacrifice. You'll also see Jabal al-Rumat, the Archer's Hill, which played a strategic role in the battle. Nearby lies Jabal al-Noor, surrounded by a growing landscape of residential neighborhoods, blending the city's sacred past with its modern future. This expansion showcases how Medina has evolved while honoring its spiritual legacy. And that brings us to the end of our journey over the holy city of Medina. We hope you enjoyed this unique aerial experience through history, faith, and modern transformation. In our next episode, we'll take you to the dynamic capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Until next time, safe travels and peace be upon you.